Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to dive into 4 different Halloween themed sticker spread layouts. We're going to make them holographic and luminescent, and we'll use the same prompt for each style we choose. We're going to go with the colors orange, purple, pink, black, and blue. We'll start with some clip art style and select a quantity of 4. Now 4 stickers are going to show up on each page, and you can use any ratio you choose, but I'm going to go with 1:1 ratio. You have plenty of room, and you can expand this after download to a 5,000 by 5,000 artboard to enlarge each sticker. And here are the results from the first one. You have some that are perfectly usable, but maybe the pumpkin with the little feet isn't quite what you're looking for. That's fine. You can easily crop it from the bundle. Now let's try a different style. This one will be a kawaii watercolor look. We're using the exact same prompt, but I'm going to add 2D and flat to the prompt so the stickers don't look like they're lifting off of the artboard. We'll continue with the 1:1 ratio and quantity of 4. These are totally different looking, but at the same time, very cute. Could easily be used in the same exact bundle if you wanted. Next, let's move over to dark manga. Again, we'll generate 4. This is very different style, as you can see. Maybe it wouldn't go with the same bundle that you were working with before, but these are nice and they have that comic book look to them. I would definitely use these 4 out of all of them, and maybe 1 or 2 from the other bundles. Obviously, the first style wouldn't work because they're all overlapping, but these are definitely a distinct look for stickers. It would definitely stand out. Now let's see, let's go with the multi-expression style. I'm not sure how these are going to turn out. I haven't tried them yet myself. Okay, these came out very nice. They have a different look to them, and they have that kawaii style almost. So most people love this style these days, and the cats are very popular. Next, we'll go with the plants and flower pattern. These are very cute. It's too bad the first one didn't come out correctly because those had some very pretty stickers. But all of these work. I would use all of those pumpkins, and although I wouldn't use these 2 other parts, which I don't even know what they are, the other ones came out nice. Next, we're going to try the golden style. These are more sparkly stickers. That's what golden style usually does with all the designs. It gives a little sparkle to it. I would definitely use the first one. That other one I wouldn't have because they're overlapping, obviously. But okay, I'm just going to rush through these and give you guys a quick glimpse of what you could use each style for, so I'm not dwelling on them for too long. This one just turned out to be flowers, and I think they're very nice. I would use all of them in a different bundle. I personally like them myself and will probably use them. This one was the Dreamy Invitation style. Okay, next, let's go to flat art illustration. These are more traditional stickers, and it would work out perfectly. The first one with the pumpkin and the witch's hat would be like one sticker as a whole since they're attached, but I would still use the sticker. Okay, now let's see what other styles we can use here. There's so many to choose from, and if you guys would like me to go through every single one of these in another video, I will do that so you can get a glimpse of idea of what each one looks like. But for now, like I said, I'm just going to go zoom through these. So right now, we're just going to choose the doodle style illustration. And I think these came out really nice. They have extras like the little stars and stuff, but they don't seem to have the sticker outline to them, but they came out really nice. Next, let's go to crayon style. I like these a lot. A definitely different look than the other stickers. And I like the pale coloring book look to them. I love how I made a cat with bat wings and the ghost. I really do love these ones. I would not use the purple and blue sticker on this one because I'm not sure what they're supposed to be. Maybe that's an egg. I don't know. But I really do love the way the crayon style came out. It might be one of my favorites. Okay, guys, and that's how you would create multiple sticker bundles with just one single prompt. It was very fast. Quick, easy is the way I like to do things. I'm just going through and showing you which style was used for each of these bundles. But I'm going to end this video here. Let me know if you guys want me to continue on showing you more about Artistly. That's what I think I might do. I can do junk journal pages, but eventually I will move on to other ways of creating and other passive income ideas. If you have any ideas of what you'd like my next video to be, leave it in the comment section below. And that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.